Here is a Welltory app review. Welltory app can be accessible on Google Play. What you need to do is click on the Get options and install. Once you install, click on Sync My Health Data, especially if you're using an Apple device. Afterwards, click on Turn them on now, which means you have to turn on the health access and update your health data. Afterwards, you will be redirected on this page where you need to allow all the notifications that is needed for the Welltory. And of course, you have to confirm the agreement's terms and conditions. Now, as you wait for a few seconds, you have to fill on the necessary data, such as weight, height, and fitness tracker that you're using. Is it Apple Watch, Fitbit, or any device that you use? Now, if you're a health conscious person, this app is right for you because it serves you the right data of health trackers that you need, such as your pulse. And as you can see, you can also track the energy, average, or how tired you are can be from the few months or days that have passed. As you can see, there is a color memo that you can choose from. So, if you're a fitness guru, this application is the right one for you.